Hi, it's
SpongeBob.
I'm helping out today with Antique Toys to bring your child to work day. I'm going to help show off the new service car. I am helping show off the car. Porsche.
Let's get into the review. So we've got the nice original box for the news service Porsche. And then we have a Porsche with a cameraman on top, which is just completely impractical but fun. You get Associated Press stickers, STP oil stickers. These were the cameras of old with 3 lenses with another 1, 2, 3, so there's probably 6. And all those lenses were built in at the time. You get the insignias for World News. UPIs on the opposite side, you get those also. But what's great about it is it's very scale Porsche, very 911. And I'm going to turn it over. And the battery compartment inside, nice and clean. It has a wheel which flips out, which makes it go sideways, and then a guide wheel up front. Very nice toy. And in the back, it ends up having technical details about how it could drive around in circles. For those that aren't familiar with this car, it's made by TPS, which is 2Play, and TPS 2Play Shonen, or 2Play company, which is a really nice company. So the quality's there, and the toy is beautiful, and I would say very scale model. All right, let's try it out. I always wonder about these Japanese toys, if they work. A lot of they call them commutators stick, the bit of the engine that makes connection and throws electricity onto the motor. So the best thing I can do is just to put the batteries in and try it out. Let's hope it works. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey! Okay, so we'll do a quick test. That comes down. Oh my goodness. It absolutely works. So you get a weird engine action. You get the kind of a stunt wheel that pops up, and then the back drive wheels work real well. So this is wonderful. This absolutely works. Okay, so to wrap things up, this car appears relatively new, old stock, clean, and works, which is a big fat A+. I think the action's really great. It does all kinds of things that are levels of complication, as we used to say. The box is intact. So a really dynamite toy. You can't get much better than a 911 these days with news. News is a hot topic. So I definitely consider it a recommend if you have a chance to pick one up. Our particular toy will be on auction. It will be May the 4th, 2024. So be sure to check that out under our affiliated auction, Mars, M-A-R-Z. And I wish everybody good luck. And if there are follow-up questions or you have one to sell, we're always at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Cheers from Ed.